Hey, hi guys. I hope you're doing good. This is Ratnakar from Ratna Edited, and today we are going to discuss a topic that is MAPE. MAPE is nothing but a mean absolute percentage error. I believe this topic will going to help you to crack interview like a machine learning engineer or a data analytics, data analyst or data scientist. Okay, so I have a small data and why I'm using MAPE, the main purpose of using MAPE is to finding the accuracy of the model because it is a continuous data and MAPE we can use it in a continuous data like a supervised learning model, supervised learning like a regression model, and uh, okay, the like a average of all percentage error is called mean average percentage error. Okay, this one, the main purpose of MAPE is accuracy of the model, and MAPE is affected by outliers. Okay, so here comes to this part, and we have actual values that is 29, 30, 42, 38, 74, so on. Just I took just a five values here and the predicted values here, like a 37, 27, 41, something. Okay, so the absolute difference between these two values is 1, 29 minus 30, and 30 minus 27 is 3. Okay, I believe you can calculate this one. And percentage error. Percentage error is nothing but a 1 divided by 29 into 100. Okay, percentage error, actual percentage error equals to absolute of actual value minus predicted value divided by actual value into 100. Okay, so 3.4482 percentage I got for first row, and something like this. Okay, 3 divided by 30 into 100, 10 percentage, and 2.3 for this one, and 5.2, 2.7. So MAPE equals to sum of all this percentage divided by 5. That is a 4.7590 percentage, and this is a median. Okay, MAPE is nothing but a mean absolute percentage error. Okay, this is a mean absolute percentage error, and this is a median absolute percentage error. In a median, I got a 3.44, nearly 1.31 percentage difference between MAPE and mean median absolute percentage error. Okay, and whenever we are whenever in a machine learning regression model, we can use a median values, right? So because of like a in a mean, there is a much like a yeah there is a much error while compared with the median. So that's why if you see here, accuracy equals to 100%, 100 minus MAPE, okay, equals to 95 percentage. If you do 100 minus 3.44, you will get the 97 percentage. So that is why we can use median. And guys, I believe you got this one and you understand very well, and thank you so much for watching this video. And in upcoming videos I'm going to post more videos about supervised as well as unsupervised learning. Okay, in a clustering, like we can do a lot of videos here. And thank you so much. Until then, please subscribe the channel and click on bell icon. You will get a notification, and like the video. Thank you. Have a good day.